Hello Lux family, it's your boy Jay. As much as I love to party and eat, and of course spend my money on luxury items, I do also love a good old pair of Chelsea boots. And believe me, these Chelsea boots are beautiful. You get it? I've had them long enough and I definitely want to do an unboxing for my Lux family. And I'm kind of ashamed to say it, I've literally never worn them before and I've had them almost 3 years. I really do miss the chance of wearing all these good items. Now Rona's here, I'm all locked down and I can't even wear any of my items. So definitely when everything opens up, I'm gonna wear each and every single item. I need to start making some sort of effort in wearing everything I got because clearly that's not happening right now. Anyway, like always, please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below, and remember to join the community down below and spread all the love. Let's get into this unboxing, and by unboxing I mean put back in the box and show them to you lot. And here they are, the Saint Laurent Chelsea boots. This box is huge and this is actually the first time I've ever owned anything from Yves Saint Laurent. I hope I'm saying that right. You can actually clearly see all the water stains on here, which is kind of bad. That's how long I've had these sitting down in the cabinet. But I've always actually really enjoyed them and I really love them. And I just really want to show the Lux family these beautiful pair of Chelsea boots. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. So Yves Saint Laurent, or should I say Saint Laurent, actually their boxing is actually really nice. It feels really durable, really like good quality, something that I was really impressed by. Literally all black, everything black, just how I love it. Comes in black tissue paper and it actually has a dust bag for each pair of shoes that is in here. And I'm gonna take the first one out and just put it down. Hopefully we can see this. It actually has another one as well in here and I'm just going to put that down. Just want to see what else is inside the box. So it comes with a bit more tissue paper, a bit cushion there as well. And I think this is the care guide on how to look after them because they are suede, but I will get into that. Let's put that back down. These are size 43. I believe that's a size 8.5 or 8, I can't remember, I'm not too sure. It says the WYATT 30 Chelsea boot and it's got a, not sure if you can see that, it's got the number just over here. Like always, I'll put that down in the description below for the Lux family if you're interested in these boots, because believe me, they are really lovely. So I just want to show what the actual dust bag looks like. It's very thick, very durable, so if you do want to take these away traveling, it's actually really nice. It says Saint Laurent as well on there. And let's get into it. I just want to take the boot out because they are so lovely, and look how lovely that is. So nice. Has a lovely 1.2mm heel, I believe. The suede is lovely. I believe this is the light brown one as well. Comes with a nice little dark brown strip there, which is very like stretchy. The inside, it also has a little bit of tissue paper and it's got Saint Laurent Paris in there. Just over there you can see a nice gold effect. I paid £640. You can see how brand new they are, literally. Still got the pricing on there and the stickers. This one is made, oh god, sorry about that, that's the box. This one's made in Italy and says Saint Laurent Paris as well inside, and it's so beautiful. The inside over here is all leather, and believe me, I think I had to go up a size on this because I have a wide foot, so it felt really awkward over here, and I just ended up swapping them out for another size. I have actually wanted to treat these with like a water thing, like a water repellent, because with me I always end up dropping stuff on my suede stuff and I just destroy my shoes either way. The actual boot on the bottom, it has I'm not sure if you can see it, a lovely stitching all the way around. It's done really, really nice. I mean, everything is to perfection on this boot. I mean, the quality on here is amazing. Look at the stacked heel, it's just so lovely. And the arch on this boot is divine. I can't express how lovely this actually looks. Personally, this color I actually really, really like. I did want to go with the black, but I always end up getting black trainers or shoes. Wanted something a bit different, so definitely with a nice pair of skinny slim jeans, or yeah, something really, really nice with this, and a nice shirt will be styled really nice with this. Just want to show the Lux family, both of them together. You can see it's got a nice curve on the back as well, so it goes nice on your heel, and it just gives that nice indentation on the back of your foot. I mean, wow, look at them, they're so nice. The inside is leather, like I said to you lot before. Just want to give you lot a good close up. It has a little tab as well, just over here, where you can just pull it up. And yeah, there's not much about these. Like I said before, it's a 1.2mm heel and it is stacked. One thing I did want to talk about is the actual shape of the boot. This is the almond toe shape, so it's not too pointy. For me personally, I hate the pointy boots. Just a bit too freaky for me, and it just makes my foot look so long. It just doesn't work well with me. So these look beautiful on. Nice short almond toe, nice curve here, and a nice fit on my actual ankle leg over here as well. So these are literally a perfect pair, and I always recommend someone should have a nice pair of boots in their collection for that special event. One thing I did actually want to do with these is actually get the underneath protected. I just feel like I don't want to scruff them because it just looks so perfect. Look, nice and shiny and beautiful. I just don't want to ruin it, literally. So anyway, there you have it, my beautiful almond-toed WYATT 30 Yves Saint Laurent boots in the light brown color. Now, if you're loving these, go and check them out, because I didn't even look at these before until I saw them on someone, and I fell in love with them. Of course, I fell in love with them not to even wear them. I hope the Lux family really enjoyed that video. I actually want to buy another pair. I actually seen a few other ones that I like, the ones with the buckle on it. I'll insert a picture here for the Lux family. And they also have a python one as well that I really, really like. However, I need to wear these ones before even wanting to get another pair. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. Comment down below and let me know what kind of boots you're into. Like always, please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below, and I hope you really enjoy my videos. Please remember to stay safe. Peace.